very beautiful. I'm going to dip my hands in now. Oven grill, nicely done. Hello everyone, welcome to African Note Food. I hope everybody is well. So today, this afternoon for lunch, we are going for fufu and goat meat light soup that we're going to make. So please stay tuned and see what we're going to make. So I have my goat meat, I have tribe, I have cow foot here, proper goat meat with the skin on, proper one. And here we have our fish. I have catfish, I have mackerel and my plecase. And here we have carrots. We have garden eggs, tomatoes, Scotch bonnets, and tiger berries here. Okay, and here we have our onion, garlic, and ginger, and aniseed that we're going to season our meat with. So on the meat, I'm going to add salt into it, 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to add the onion and the garlic and the ginger also. And I'm going to stir like that and leave it to cook. So here I'm going to add my carrots and garden eggs and the tiger berries. I'm going to cook them together. So I'm going to cook this for 10 minutes, okay? Yeah, I'm going to add my tomatoes and my Scotch bonnet in there. Okay, see, now I'm taking the tomatoes out. And the pepper, Scotch bonnet. And I'm going to blend this and add into the soup. Blending, I'm adding the fish into it. Okay, I'm adding also the tomatoes and the pepper. I'm going to rinse this a bit, add it into it. And here I added my precase on the heat to toast it a tiny bit. Precase has finished toasting. I'm going to put this in the soup. Okay, cover this. So blend the carrots, garden eggs, tiger berry with the water that I cook with. Okay, blend them together. So now we're going to add the blended garden eggs, tiger berry, and the carrots. And if you have not tried carrots on your light soup, try. It's really nice. So I'm adding water into it, that much water. And now we are going to leave it to cook for about 20 minutes and it will be done. So our soup is done. Now we're going to make our fufu. Okay, all right. We have our plantain fufu here that we're going to make. So I have hot water here boiling. And now I'm going to add my fufu into it and stir. Like that. Okay. I'm sure you all know this fufu. It's simple and easy to make. If you can do it with hot water, you can do with cold water for start. So our fufu is making, look, it's almost done. I'm going to add a bit of water into it and leave it for 5 minutes and it will be ready. It's done. Go in there. Okay. So this is our soup. our goat light soup. Okay, so we have our fufu here. I'm going to serve some here. Oh la la, look at this, beautiful. A lot of meat here. Our goat's meat light soup is done with fufu. Okay, so bon appetit, and I hope you like our video today. You come back again. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye.